After adding gum on your paper fiber, pick your material so that you get the both excess you want to leave. You pick your paper fiber and gum it on your material to monitor your excess that you left behind. Gum it. Use your hand to smoothen it. You can turn it and use your hand to smoothen it. After using your hand to smoothen it, turn it to the other side. This is what it will look like. Now, you fold this edge in. You fold it in on your material. You fold this edge in and you fold this edge too, like this. You'll be folding like this. You add your gum and fold it like this. You do the same thing to this one. Add your gum here and fold it in. This is what it will look like this. After folding in your material, this is how it will look like. That is when you are gumming, you don't add gum on this your paper fiber at the end, at the both end. Don't add gum. When you gum your material, then you fold it in like this. You fold it in the both end. Look at this one. Fold it in. Then you gum. Now, when you are done with this, so you pick your paper fiber, the one we have already wrapped with our lining. You place it beside the side of the paper fiber like this. You hold it up, and this other one like this. This is how it will look like. You'll be folding in this excess. That's why I say you should leave excess. You'll be folding in this excess like this. So now you add a little gum to the down of the paper fiber and fold in your material. After adding gum to the down of your paper fiber, now you place it beside the side of the paper fiber like this. Pick it up like this. This is how it will look like. And start folding in your excess like this. Start folding in your excess. You fold in your excess like this. This is the reason why I say you should leave 4 inches excess. You use it to fold in the back. Look at how it looks like. This other side is like this now. We'll put this other side of the paper fiber here. This is how the inside of the bag will look like. Put it here and still fold this excess in the same way we folded this one. I'll add my gum here now. Place it here and fold this one in. After adding your gum, the down part of the paper fiber already wrapped with our lining, pick your bag, put it beside the other side of the bag, put it like this and fold it in like this. Look at the inside of our bag. Fold it in. Fold it. Fold in your excess like this. This is the other side. This is the inside and this is the side of the bag. Now, after folding in like this, the next thing to do is to pick your mako already wrapped with your material. We'll be placing it on this side now. Here. You pick the other one too. Put it on this side like this. What you do, add your gum to your paper fiber. Add your gum to your mako. You leave it a little bit to dry before you gum it together. Now let's add gum. After adding your gum like this, leave it a little while to dry. Then pick your marco and gum it together. Place your marco on it like this. And use your hand to smoothen it. You gum it together like this. After gumming this part, you gum the other side too the same way. You pick your marco, add gum here, leave it for a while to dry and gum it together the same way we have done to this part. After adding gum, you leave it for a while to dry. You pick your marco, the one already up with your material, and gum it the same way we gum this part. After gumming, this is what it will look like. This is our ball shape bag. This is the inside of the bag. This is both sides. This is down of the bag. Now, what is main is to add our bag handle. If you want to use bag chain on this bag, if you don't want to use this bag handle, you want to use bag chain, what you will do, take your bag ring. Bag ring is like this. You pierce a hole here, pierce another hole here, push this bag ring in. It has another one. This is the bag. Come to the back like this and pierce this one. You hit it with your hammer. That's when you will use your bag chain. But now, me, I'm using my bag handle. Now, your bag handle has opening. Put it on the edge of the bag like this, where you want your handle to stay, and use your hammer to hit it. That's how you fix the handle. You fix this second one too, like that. After fixing the handle, this is how it looks like. Now, you can decorate your bag with stone. You can write your name, anything you want. You can write it with stone. You can use stone. This is stone to decorate it. What you just need to do, you add your gum to your stone and start placing it on your bag till you write whatever you want to write on the bag. I use stone to design my name on the bag. On the inside of the bag is the handle, inside of the bag. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Ankara Nation. Thanks for watching.